but you'll see basically the most important for you is to understand how it works. So I created from school, so school in French is école, and from this I have three branches, right? The first one is institutions. The second one is subjects like math, physics, French, and also the classroom, right? And within those branches, I have other ideas or other vocabulary, right? So this is a really simple way to do it, and also a simple way for you to introduce mind mapping. This is another lesson for my student to learn vocabulary in Spanish, and then basically putting the verb or putting the word in Spanish and then the translation in English. So that's why I also help them to review their Spanish or French and also their English, because English is not their mother tongue. So they also always and at the same time reviewing their Spanish and the English too. So this is basically about vocabulary.